Today we're going to talk about Cossack squats. They're a great single leg strength exercise. They're also a bit of a balance exercise, but they're really good when it comes to mobility, because you need a good, decent amount of mobility to perform a really nice Cossack squat. They're also a great conditioning tool for the hips, because you can transition between both sides, which takes a lot of range of movement and strength in the hips to do. So to start with your feet together. What you're going to do is turn your toes out, then your heels, your toes, and your heels. So that's 2 steps of each. So that's the stance you want for your Cossack squat here. From there you're going to pick a leg, so my left leg. The feet are still pointed forward and this foot still stays on the floor. So you just bend this knee, keep this leg nice and straight. There you go, that's your Cossack squat basically. And then from there, engage the glute and that quad and stand up again. And then the other side. Now the variations on this, once you get down into the Cossack, you can rotate onto the heel just to give you a little bit of a stretch on the inner thigh. So rotate, point the toes to the roof, because then you can get your bum a little bit closer down and back. So to take that a little bit further, we're going to transition from side to side. So initially, that's the way you're going to do it. But we're going to try and take it lower each time. So you're not going up to a full stand. And then eventually, you want your hips to stay the same height as at the bottom of the Cossack squat. Give those a go. They're really good exercise to learn how to do. You'll notice your traditional lift, like your squat and deadlift, will probably go up as you're getting really good at these.